expert with animals, but from what I understand, you should approach a horse from like the front or the front side. But you should not approach him from the back, because if he doesn't see it, you spook him, and he could get a kick, and horses hurt when they kick. My name is Paul Pasolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at IvyMasters.com, and today we're going to look at Test 1, Section 3, Number 1. And the approach matters for the question, because getting too many questions wrong on the SAT math section can hurt too. Number 1 reads, if x minus 1 over 3 equals k, and k equals 3, what is the value of x? So, what we're first going to do is we're going to write this, and we're going to fill in for k. So we have x minus 1 over 3 equals k. If k equals 3, it equals 3. So, let's say your algebra is not so hot, and how could you approach this so that the question does not kick your butt? You could use your answer choices. Whenever it asks what's the value for x, keep in mind all the answer choices are possible values of x, and you can plug them in. So, where would you start? Top, bottom, or middle? You want to start in the middle. Because if you start in the middle, you can tell if you're too big or too small. Not only that, but I want to start with something that is going to give me a whole number if possible. So I'm going to start with answer choice B, which is 4. I plug 4 in for my x, and what I see is that 4 minus 1 over 3 equals 3. I get 3 over 3 equals 3, and 3 over 3 is 1, it's not 3. And so 4 is wrong, but then before I move on, I want to also ask myself, hey, is it too big or too small? What I see is that the 4 is too small. So if the 4 is too small, then the 2 is definitely too small. And that's why I want to start with one of the middle answer choices. The answer choices do go in order. You see here they're from smallest to largest. So you could eliminate more than one if whatever answer you choose is wrong. Not only that, but I had a 50-50 chance of only having to test out answer choice B. Because B could have been right, or it could have been too big, in which case I know the answer is A. But now we got to test out either C or D. And now if I throw my C in, 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 over 3 is not a whole number. And you might notice that. But 10 minus 1 over 3 equals 3. You get 9 over 3. It does equal 3. So your correct answer is D, 10. So that's if your algebra is not great. What if your algebra is A-okay? Then what you do is, we've got our equation once more, x minus 1 over 3 equals 3, because again your k is 3. What you do is you multiply both sides by 3 here. Another way to think of it is put the 3 over 1, cross multiply and set equal. And we get is 3 times 3 equals 9, and 1 times x equals x minus 1. So it's cross multiply and set equal. I see students all the time cross multiplying and making a fraction, which is wrong. So 9 equals x minus 1, add 1, add 1. And this cancels, and you can see that your x equals 10 once again. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has trouble with, who does not know that they can pick their answers for a question like this, or has trouble with some simplish algebra. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.